Hello and welcome to MG Chemicals. Today we'll be talking about our commitment to safety and compliance, especially with Proposition 65. So what exactly is Prop 65? It's known as the Safe Drinking Water and Toxic Enforcement Act of 1986, and it requires companies to inform Californians about possible carcinogens or harmful substances in their products. At MG Chemicals, we make sure we take good effort to have all our ingredients be in compliance with Proposition 65. That means we review all of our ingredients to make sure they are in compliance with Title 27, California's Code of Regulation. So how exactly do we provide these warnings? We do it through our SDSs, our web pages, our labels, and through marketing efforts to make sure all of our customers are well aware of our Prop 65 warnings. Every step from product development to labeling is used to ensure company compliance. Our main goal is to make sure we meet regulatory standards here at MG Chemicals for the health and safety of our customers.
Our commitment extends beyond the lab and the factory floor.
It's about providing high quality products that you can trust, whether you're in a professional setting or using our products at home. With MG Chemicals, you're not just choosing a partner that's compliant with Prop 65, you're also choosing a company that is committed to a safer and cleaner world. Thank you for choosing MG Chemicals, and we hope to see you soon.